turning into gourmet. What's up, everybody? It's Jimmy. See that mountain of leftover casserole? We're about to transform that into some mind-blowing gourmet dinners. Get ready to ditch those boring leftovers and say hello to some seriously delicious meals. Alright, first up, we're spicing things up with a crazy casserole curry. Grab 2 cups of that leftover casserole. Don't be shy, scoop it all in. Now we're gonna add a tablespoon of curry powder. Bam! Instant flavor explosion. Don't forget a pinch of salt, unless you want your taste buds to feel like they're on vacation. Next, we're gonna add a can of coconut milk. Gotta have that creamy goodness. And to make this curry extra special, we're throwing in a handful of chopped cilantro and a squeeze of lime juice. Mix it all up, pop it in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes, and boom! You've got yourself a casserole curry that'll make your taste buds sing. Seriously, this curry is so good, you'll be wishing you had more leftovers. But don't worry, we've got plenty more deliciousness coming your way. Next up, we're transforming that leftover casserole into savory pies that'll have you saying pie-licious. Grab a pie crust store-bought or homemade, we don't judge. Now here's the fun part. Fill that crust with a generous portion of casserole. We're talking heaping spoonfuls, people. To give our pies an extra kick, we're gonna sprinkle in some shredded cheese because who doesn't love cheese? And for a touch of freshness, we're adding a handful of chopped spinach. Now carefully fold that pie crust over, crimp the edges, and brush it with a little bit of egg wash for that golden brown perfection. Pop those bad boys in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes or until the crust is golden and the filling is bubbling. Trust me, the aroma alone will have your mouth watering. Alright guys, get ready for this one. We're about to make some casserole rice that's bursting with flavor. First things first, grab a saucepan and heat up a tablespoon of olive oil. Now, toss in a diced onion and cook it until it's nice and translucent. We're talking see-through onion magic. Next, add a cup of rice and toast it for a minute or two. This will give our rice a nice, nutty flavor. Now here comes the star of the show. 2 cups of leftover casserole. Mix it all up, add 2 cups of chicken broth, bring it to a boil, then cover and simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the rice is cooked and the liquid is absorbed. Fluff it up with a fork and boom! You've got yourself a casserole rice dish that's so good, you'll be licking the plate clean. Last but not least, we're turning that leftover casserole into handheld pockets of pure deliciousness. Casserole pasties. Grab some puff pastry, because everything's better with puff pastry. Roll it out and cut it into squares. Now, spoon a generous amount of casserole onto each square. We're talking a mountain of flavor. To take these pasties to the next level, we're adding a sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese and a pinch of dried herbs. Fold the pastry over to form triangles, crimp the edges, and brush them with a little bit of milk for that beautiful golden brown finish. Bake these beauties in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until they're puffed up and golden. Trust me, these casserole pasties are so good, you'll be the envy of the entire neighborhood. There you have it, folks. We took a mountain of leftover casserole and transformed it into 4 epic meals that'll have your taste buds doing the happy dance. Who knew leftovers could be this delicious? So next time you're staring at a fridge full of leftovers, don't despair. Get creative, have some fun, and turn those leftovers into culinary masterpieces. And hey, if you come up with any crazy leftover creations, be sure to share them with me in the comments below. I'm always down for a good food challenge. Peace out.